Today's video, we're going to be talking about the three pillars on the Land Rover Discovery. You have the A pillar to the front, you have the B pillar in the middle, the front and back seats, and you have the C pillar. What we're going to be doing is replacing the C pillar. You see, this is the old one. What happens is it's plastic, and the hot and cold weather begins to make it brittle and it breaks off. We're going to be replacing the C pillar on the 2003 Discovery 2. What we're going to be doing is you're supposed to remove the rivets that are in the door. There's 5 to 7 of them, rivets to be pulled out. But what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the top one. We're going to do some cheating today. It's the middle one. And then there's a bottom one right here. And what that allows us to do is we'll be able to pull this back in order to access the three. There's a bottom screw, a middle screw, and a top screw. And this will give us enough room to access it because there's a lot of tearing out. What I'm gonna be doing is cutting small strips. I just use electrical tape. It's not really binding. I get my 9/32 tool and I put this down in the seams of where it's gonna go. Get it to stick and bend. Get the screws that I'm gonna be replacing the pillar with. And then what this does, it gives it a snug fit until the screw gets started on. Because it's about 1.5 inch space between the door and where the pillar screwed on. And if you're not careful, the screws will fall down inside of the body and there's no retrieving. So with this here, they're in there real snug until they get seated on the screw, then you're able to force this off, get all 3 of your bolts in. What we're gonna be doing, because what had happened with the old C pillar, here's the new one. I suggest that you order the Land Rover original part. I always try to on the car because I'm saving money on actually doing the work myself, so I always put the money into the original part because I'm saving on doing all of the labor myself. And this is the new pillar. We shouldn't have to replace it no more with the life of the car. Hopefully not the other side because it's really hard to get to. It's really simple. All we have to do is line the 3 bolt holes up. Put it on there, be a snug fit. Bolt the 3 bolts down. You don't want to tug them down too tight again because it's plastic. The plastic is holding it on. So if you bolt it too tight, it's going to screw in and bust it again. Now what we're going to do is just basically line up our screw, being real careful. And you're getting it started. I always start with my center screw. Figure once I get the center going, get it pulled up and lined up, then I could just put the bottom and the top one. I want this one center. Now all we gotta do, we got the pillar installed and bolted down. We're gonna put the rivets back in. One top one, one middle one, and then the bottom one. Buckled up. After you put the rivets in the back and get it all in, this is how it should be flushed. Quick job. Job shouldn't take no more than 45 minutes. Don't forget to hit the smash the like button.